Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This is Coach Samantha 001. Okay, today I want to show you how to optimize your channel. Have you done your proper setup for your channel? If you haven't done it, this video is for you. So on my next screen, without waste of time, let's get on it. Let me show you how to set up your channel properly, well optimized to have your maximum result. Okay, so see you on my next screen. So to set up our channel properly, well optimized, we are going to be using the desktop version. So you get on your browser and type in YouTube Creator Studio. I already have that, so it's going to show on my search bar. You just click on it, YouTube Creator Studio. You click on the first result. Okay, so we are right here. We are going to be clicking on this setting icon. Let me zoom in. So you can see the setting icon down here. So we are going to be clicking on it. Okay, here we are. The first thing we'll be doing, we'll click on channel. You're going to select your country of residence. Mine is Nigeria, so you know where you are. Go ahead and select that. So the next thing we'll be doing is keywords, right? So you know your channel, what is your channel about? So you have to select those keywords. And the most beautiful thing is that these keywords would be appearing automatically, all right, on your upload. So you go ahead, type in those keywords. If you will be doing it manually, ensure you use a comma to separate each keyword, okay? But then I would suggest you get on ChatGPT, prompt it to generate keywords for your channel. Give a little or a brief explanation on what your channel is about. Let's ChatGPT know what your channel is about, and then it's gonna give you well optimized keywords. You copy it and do what you paste in here. So the next thing we'll be doing is we click on advanced settings, which is the next one. The first one was the basic information, so you click on advanced setting. On advanced setting, we are going to be selecting no that this video or this channel is not made for kids. Okay, you know when you upload your video and there's a place you are supposed to select if your video is made for kids, like this particular channel I'm using for tutorials is not made for kids. I have a faceless channel that is made for kids. So if you are sure that at no point would you upload videos that are made for kids, you go ahead and select that place. No, not made for kids. Okay, but if you want to be reviewing it, you allow it to be on default, which is I want to review this setting for every video, so there'll be no point me reviewing. So I had to select that. So the next thing is automatic captions. So you can see that some words, while automatic captions is being displayed on your video, some words might be inappropriate that can give you strike on your channel. So if you would want the inappropriate words not to be showing, okay, automatically you can go ahead and tick this box. You see this box here? Go ahead and tick it. So clips, allow viewers to clip my contents. That is on default. To allow it. Third-party training, allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. I'm not going to allow that. So if you want to allow that, you go ahead and tick the box. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the next one, which is feature eligibility, just to show you how. So standard features is enabled, advanced features, everything is enabled. You can see advanced features is eligible, so that place is on default. So the next thing we'll be doing is I want to show you something about upload defaults. So let's get on there. So under upload defaults, if you want to give a prompt that will be appearing on your title, you know every video has a title, your title can still remain, but then if you need a prompt like once your title gets on, then you still have something else, like um let's say tags. For instance, you want to have a permanent 3 or 4 hashtags. Each time your title appears, under it you have the tags. You go ahead and put in the tags here. Let's say your YouTube is learn how. Your YouTube channel is teaching people about YouTube growth. For instance, let's say YouTube growth. Let's say YouTube growth. Let's say that this title. Now under my title, anytime I add my title on this page on each of my videos, that what I have as hashtags is gonna come automatically on all my videos. All right, so I won't be needing to type them in. There will be no need for that. So now the same thing applies to description. You can see sometimes on your description you can always allow something like comment, share, subscribe, something like that, or a call to action, giving a call to action to your viewers. And then whatever description you add here while uploading your video, whatever description you add there, what you have here under description will automatically come up. You can decide to paste your channel link here, and there will be no need for you to be going over and over to bring in your channel link. I hope you understand. So anytime you add your description, your channel link comes in automatically, prompting people to subscribe, like, share. You understand what I'm saying now? So the next thing is visibility. I'm gonna set mine on public, okay? And then you add tags. Tags is as good as keywords. So use ChatGPT to bring out tags for your channel. Well optimized tags. Ask it, tell it, let it know what your channel is about, and it's gonna generate tags for you. And then you know what? Each time you upload a video, you will not need to add tags, because you can only edit to add more tags depending on what you said on that particular video. But the tags you added here is going to appear automatically, right, on your video while you're optimizing your video. The tags will show up, and then you can decide to remove some or add few new ones, depending on what you actually said on the video you are about to upload. You understand? Okay, so we are going to be moving from there. Remember to click on save down here. Remember to click on save once you are done. And then, do you want to add someone as a manager on your channel? You want to give someone permission? So you click on permissions, and then you add the person's mail up there by clicking here, invite. So once you click on invite, you set up, give the person role, whether as a manager, as an editor, as there are different roles here. So you invite the person, and then you set up, and then remember to save here. Okay, so that will be that for that particular point. So what we'll be doing is to go out. I'm not gonna save it. This is just a tutorial video. So I have discarded changes. So I'm gonna come in here to where we have channel dashboard. Can you see this pencil icon? You want to customize this video. I did a video on this, so you go ahead and watch it, but let me just open it up for you to see, just to scroll through. So this is it. You see all these places. It is very necessary for you to fix all the information that is required here. All right, then quickly, where we have links, can you see where we have links? I'm not talking about your channel URL. That one is automatically fixed. Now where we have links, you can add multiple links. So you go ahead, let your first link be your channel link. Again, what I did was to copy my link and go to a certain site. I'm going to display it on the screen right now. I went to that site, dropped it, generated a new link, and brought it here to fix it. Okay, And then if you click on add link, you can go over and copy your Facebook link, your Instagram link, or any other platform, your website link, come back and paste it here. All right, once you are done, do not forget to hit on publish. You see where we have publish? So I'm not going to be clicking on nothing because I did not edit anything. So once you edit anything, that publish, where we have publish here, is going to highlight for you to click. So that is how to set up your channel. Hope this video helps. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I need you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So once I drop another video, you're gonna be notified. Please comment, like, share, and keep supporting. And then if you want to join my support group on Telegram, please go ahead and comment. Let me know. I'm gonna connect with you. All right, see you on my next video.